Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Bitcoin can crash more. Before we begin, do not forget to join our monthly subscription, Patreon/Mind Your Crypto. You can find the link in the description box and in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching. Have a fantastic day. Let's start right now with Bitcoin. So we had a minus 10%. This is crazily bearish. For some altcoins, this was a minus 18, 13, 15% correction in just one day. We had a pretty nice pump over the previous days, but unfortunately the case was that Bitcoin was forming a bear flag. That means after a downtrend you are going a little bit upwards, but you are not strong enough to go all the way higher. That means you are going to correct and to crash down. And the pivot point for this crashing down was because we closed below the 23.1k in the 4-hour frame. If we go here, you will see that we closed right there below. Actually, it was around here. Yeah, this 4-hour frame below the 23.1k that led to another minus 4%, to another minus 2% correction, and so on. So right here on the daily frame, you will see that we are not having any strong support level at the 20.7k. Alright, so the 20.7k is not something so strong. It is not like having a huge strong support level kicking off for Bitcoin. That means for me personally, we are going to go further down into maybe the 20.2k. The next support level with the non-regular scale is the 20.5. So perhaps the next support level that we might be having a little bit of a buying pressure is this line right here between 20.1 to 20.2 and 20.5k. Now the case right now with Bitcoin is that we have gone insanely bearish the whole body, and you can see the whole candlestick is red, only just a lower shadow, a lower wick right here, invisible lower wick. As you can see, we do not have bottom tweezers. Unfortunately, the case is that we do not have the same low, so we cannot call it that this is bullish. And on the other hand, what I think about it right now is that we might be forming today a little bit of a nice institutional gap where institutions will push the price even today more to the downside. But for that, we are going to go a little bit on the 4-hour frame. Right now, if you see Bitcoin getting rejected at the 21.4k, alright, to 21.9k, it is very possible that Bitcoin could manage to go all the way up here before it corrects. If you see it struggling around this area right here, then Bitcoin is for sure going after down. If you see it struggling at 21.4k, I think that the most probable scenario it is to go down a little bit quicker than we expect. For example, the next 4-hour, let's say that it is a little bit bullish, but then we are going down. But if we struggle right here, we are going all the way down to the 20.5 to 20.2k. Either way, we are just going down. Okay, no matter if we go first to the 21.9 or we struggle at the 21.4, we are just going down. And the thing right now is that we need to see if Bitcoin has the chance of crashing down. Does Bitcoin has the chance of going all the way down to below 17k? Yeah, it has some chances to go down below the 17k. However, the case is that we have a strong support level at the 16.3k around there. We have the chance of seeing a lower wick down there and then a buying pressure forming a huge bear trap. Right now, I do not think that today is the case that we are having a crash, but expect more correction towards the next few days. As for BTC, it has lost its momentum right here. But in my case and how I see things right now, it is that BTC is going to float sideways around here. Do not expect, for example, a huge correction like we had in the past few days. Look at the 10th June right here. We had a huge correction coming in of around minus 15%, minus 6%, okay, and so on. We even went further down with another minus 7% to have this low right here, and from there we will just go up higher. I think right now that the crash is not possible after the yesterday's crash, minus 10% in just one day. We can say that this is a crash. And if we go to the 15-minute time frame, look at that. This is a huge crash for BTC that you do not see it often. Minus 3 and more percent in just 15 minutes. Something went completely wrong right there. Minus 5.70%. This was the whole candlestick. So right now for BTC USDT, we are going to go further down, retesting the lower support levels. For me personally, to be honest with you, I think that we are going to have a little bit of the most buying pressure near the 0.786 Fibonacci, which is the 19.2k. And if you use the logarithmic scale, it is around 19k. So I would have this support line as the major support level for BTC chart right here. Whenever we manage to go down there, then we are going to have a nice buying pressure towards the upside, and we will see how strong it is, because yeah, we might be getting a huge buying pressure, we might be getting a small one. We will see what the dynamic of Bitcoin is. However, for now, we are not totally bullish. If we go to the lower time frames right here, I told you that the most huge resistance level is the 21.4k to the 21.9k, around there. And of course, if you go to the 1 hour frame, you will see that the good part is that at least for now, we are actually do not care about the stochastic side being in an overbought. That means that we have some chances into seeing maybe some nice buying pressure to the upside. We will see about that. Anyway, do not forget to join our monthly subscription, Patreon/MindYourCrypto. Thank you so much for watching. Have a fantastic day. See you soon. Bye.